Number 21 is looking at a function as a table. So we've looked at functions as equations, we've looked at functions as ordered pairs. Now we're looking at functions as tables. So f of 3, again in equations, what that meant was plug in 3 to your equation. Wherever you see x, you want to plug in 3. For a table, it means you need to find 3 on your list of x's, which is right here, and what is the corresponding y value, or what is the corresponding f of x value. So that would be 6. So 3 gets mapped to 6 here. So our answer is 6. With f of 8, if you find 8 on the table, if you plug in 8, the output is -7. So my answer would be -7. The next two are kind of the opposite. So it says for what values, possibly more than one, of x is f of x equal to 5. So they're basically telling you what input do you need to put in to get an output of 5. And if we look at this, if you plug in a -2, then you're going to get a 5. So that's -2. And then it says for what values of x is f of x equal to 6. So both here and here. So if you plug in 3 and 5, or 5, so 3 and 5 both work. If you plug in those, then it equals 6.